To automatically save screen recordings to a specific folder or album on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to change the default screen recording folder location. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Scroll down the screen. Under screen recording section, tap save screen recording in. Now navigate to the folder you'd like to use to save your next screen recording. As the example, we will save screen recordings to a new folder named June 24 in the internal storage. Tap the plus icon at the top right to create a new folder. Type the folder name and then tap create. Select the folder you have just created and then tap done button. By doing this, your next screen recording will be saved to the new folder you select, in this case to the June 24 folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.